Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see 6 different ways to disable startup apps in your Windows 10. So basically, startup apps are the programs configured to open automatically when you log into your system. And in this video, we will see 6 different ways to disable startup programs in Windows 10. So first way is here. It is the most simplest way and it is via using task manager. So right click on the task bar and select task manager. In the task manager window, go to startup tab, and here you can see that different programs are listed, and those having enabled status are the programs configured to automatically start when you log in. So if you want to disable them, you can right click a program and select disable, and the status should be set to disabled, and in this way the program is disabled from opening at login. Now we have the second way using the settings app. So you can search directly for the startup, or you can open settings app and go to apps section, and under apps you will find startup apps. However, from search you will be directly taken to the startup section of the settings app, and here you can see that we are under apps section. In the right pane you can see that there is an option against all of these programs. If you turn on that option, that program will start when you log into the system, and if you turn off that option, the startup program will be disabled. The program will be disabled from opening at startup. Now we have the third way using File Explorer. So this way works in Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 as well. Right click on the start button and select run, type shell column startup and click OK or press enter key. You will then see a startup folder open in the File Explorer. Here you will find the shortcuts for the classic desktop programs which could start when you log into the system. To remove a classic desktop program when you start the system, simply right click on its shortcut and select delete. Once the shortcut is deleted, the program will no longer open at login or when you start your system. Now let us see the fourth way, which is using the app's own setting. So some programs have their own or individual settings, and you can configure it to allow or prevent the program from startup. So we will see the example of OneDrive in this case. So I have just opened OneDrive app, and I will right click on the OneDrive icon on the taskbar and select settings. In OneDrive settings, I will go to settings tab, and here you can see that there is an option start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. You can uncheck this option to disable OneDrive from startup and click OK to save the settings. So this is another way. The next way is using group policy. Please note that group policy is not available on Windows 10 Home, so this way will not work on Windows 10 Home. For other editions, you can just right click on the start button and select run, type gpedit.msc and click OK. In the group policy editor window, go to computer configuration, administrative templates, system, logon. In the right pane of logon, you will find a policy setting named run these programs at user logon. When you enable this policy setting, you can paste the path of programs you want to allow at startup. You can simply remove these entries for an individual program to remove it from startup, or you can also set the policy to not configured and then click apply followed by OK. So all of the startup programs configured by this policy setting will be disabled. However, in this video I am not setting this policy to not configure right now, because this policy also creates a registry entry which is shown in the next way and the last way of this video. And the last way is using registry. So right click on the start button and select run, type REGEDIT and click OK or press enter key. Click yes in the UAC confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, go to H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, Explorer, run. In the right pane of run registry key, you will find a registry string with some number, and the value data of this registry string points to location of a program executable. To disable that respective program from startup, you can right click on the registry string and select delete. One thing I should mention here that if you right click on the Explorer registry key and select go to H key current user, we are now in the current user branch. Here also we have the startup program registry key available, but this works only for the currently logged in user. If you want to delete a startup program for all the users, you have to again go to H key local machine. So right click on the run registry key and go to H key local machine, and in the right pane of run, right click on the programs registry string and select delete. Once you delete the registry string, that program will not start again when you log into the system. So these are all the ways to disable startup programs in Windows 10. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.